I saw a video, I think 7 years ago, before this whole van life hype, from a guy who lived in this truck, and it was very inspired, and from there on I knew I want to live like that, because I really like to travel and I don't like to pay rent. This life is great for me.
Hey y'all, today here we are with Rene and he's gonna give us a tour of his self-built bus. It's from 1976 Mercedes van and let's have a look.
Yeah. Hello and buenos dias here in beautiful sunny Spain. I'm René from Germany and I live in camper vans for over 3.5 years now, which is crazy. I still can't believe it. And since around 2 years I live in this old self-converted Mercedes camper van. As already mentioned, it is a Mercedes 508D from 1976, 5 tons maximum weight and 86 horsepower with a 3.8 liters engine. It's 6 meters long and around 2 meters wide. At the roof I have 390 watts solar and a 230 amp hours battery. It's enough for everything. I can watch TV, I can run my fridge, my freezer, and I can work on my laptop. So it's great.
And from outside, did you paint it by yourself?
No, it was already like this. I just made the whole interior new because it was very old and really not livable or cozy enough for me. It still has a little bit rust, like here you can see. But I will do it in summertime with a friend of mine. He can welding and painting, and yeah, I hope it will look much better then.
So it may change the color or it will stay the same?
No, just a few parts
Okay.
who don't look nice anymore. And next week I get new tires and new the wheels here. Just this will be painted in black and new tires, new 6 tires. And yeah, it's way cheaper here in Spain. This is why I do it here. Here in the back I have my bicycle, which I use for shopping, for grocery shopping. And yeah, I drive a lot here in Spain. I usually don't move my bus that often. I like to stay and yeah, save a little bit fuel.
How much is the consumption?
The lowest I have achieved is 8.8 liters per 100 kilometers. From Bodensee, from Bregenz in Austria to north of Spain. 8.8 liters, it's great. But usually on normal roads, maybe 13, 14. But I just drive 70 kilometers per hour, so very slow, but I have time. Here I have my gas bottle and 11 liters. And here I have another one, 11 liters as well. One bottle is enough for maybe during summertime, maybe 12 weeks, and winter, 7 weeks. Okay, let's go inside. I show you the interior. Let's start in the front. I can pull my second chair. This is like this, and I can walk here and sit here. And yeah, I have here movable for my arms on both chairs. I have four gears. It's very old and no Servolenkung.
Power steering wheel.
No power steering wheel. And yes, I can here move this up to do some maintenance on the engine. These don't work. I usually hear music through my Bluetooth speaker.
The engine is right there, so you
Yes,
don't have to go out. If you need to do something, you just stay.
You can do a lot of stuff from the inside, yes.
So if it's raining or snowing, you can
Yes.
check your oil. And
Yes, it's great, yeah. No, oil you have to go outside.
Outside, okay.
For oil, yeah. Yeah.
And then the level things on the dashboard?
This is very important because I have to stay leveled. I'm a little bit crazy. I have to stay really leveled if I stay for a long time at a place. And yeah, it's a cheap one. It's maybe 2 euros at Amazon. While I'm driving, I put this Bluetooth speaker here close to my ear, so I can listen to music or podcasts. And yeah, my window I can open like this. Very old school. at the night times, I have here curtains on both sides, here and here. So, and then I have private area, and at the daytime I have wide open windows, so much light in here. I really like it, and a really nice view. Here I have my sofa, my bench. I can lay down here in daytime and yeah, watch out or watch TV. And I can move this table around like this. I have no table leg here. It's on this rope and the hook up there. So oh, it's great to move, and yeah, this is usually my office place. There I work and here I chill. So my living room and my office.
And this area you can make as an extra bed as well?
Yes, I can put it down. So here and like this. Move this away. This here, and I have in the back a pillow. Exactly in here. So, and this is my guest bed, or yes, and here this I can put away. And the length of this is 2 meters, and wide maybe 80 or 90 centimeters.
Proper single bed.
Yes.
And here you have some sockets to work.
Yes, I have a USB-C power delivery. So it's charged with 80 watts. It's great for my laptop because I don't need a charger. And yeah, here I have USB-A with quick charge, and here my switches for lights, and usual 230 volts, but I don't need it.
And this bench is just a storage space, or you have some?
It's a storage place, yeah. Down here I have my big battery, which is right now just a gel battery or AGM, which is not so good. In the future I plan to install a lithium battery for work, and it's better for winter time.
And how big power inverter do you have?
Inverter, I have a really cheap one from China with 1000 watts, pure Cine, but I don't know, I don't believe it. It costs around 70 euros, but I never use it. I just use it for my mixer, for a smoothie maker, or my razor. Yeah.
So basically the life hack for the van life is to use as much as possible everything on 12 volts.
Yes. Yeah, you save much energy. And yes, even my TV, my fridge, my laptop, everything runs on 12 volts. So I save a lot of energy. Here's my grocery storage, and here my technical stuff. Here some everything, a little bit paper stuff, documents.
How much was the van itself when you bought it, and how much did it cost you to rebuild it?
The van itself I bought for 3,900 euro from a friend of mine, so it was very cheap. You pay for a van like this maybe 5,000 empty with no interior, and the whole interior I paid 6,000 euro, so 10,000 was altogether. Down there I have my toilet and a little bit storage for other stuff.
So you have a composting toilet, self-built.
No, I just have a kind of bucket with a tüte with a bag. And yes, it's cheap. It's okay for me.
And does the work.
Yes. Here I have blinders from a normal house, so no camping stuff. I can pull it down, and yeah, it's easy.
And it's much cheaper than for campers.
It's much cheaper. Yeah, I paid I think 40 euro each for each one. And here as well, the same one. I put it here under the screw. So it's perfect. The kitchen, yeah, here are my spices, because I really like to cook. It was one of the most important parts in this van was the kitchen. And yeah, my spices, I can look and grab it here, easy. And here's my bathroom area.
Toiletries?
Yes. And yeah, I have a two flame cooker made of glass. It's a little bit hard to keep clean because it's made of glass, and the corners here are very hard to keep clean. Yeah.
Yes, it is. I have exactly the same.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I have here some dishes here as well. Here's my trash can. Here more dishes, and down here is something mixed, everything. And here is my water tank with 90 liters. And under the floor I have a tank for my grey water, with contains I think 80 liters. And
So when this one is empty, that one is full.
yes, exactly. But I shower outside. Here I can pull this out and can open my window. So, and can turn around this, and oh no, I have to
Turn on the pump.
my pump I turn on here, and also the LED lights like this here and down there. And this one is empty. This is not in use, and this is for TV, but it's always on. And yeah, I can pull it out and shower outside, or turn and do my dishes. Yeah, and this is a normal sink from a house, because I don't like this camping stuff. It's more expensive and yeah, not that good quality. I work online. I work as a web engineer. I don't work that much. Maybe I should work a little bit more, but it's hard to work on the space like this sometimes. Yeah, but it's durable. I do it for 3 years now. I'm self-employed. Here I have my fridge. It is a 98 liters fridge with a freezer built in. I think 11 liters freezer. And it's from a small German company who convert normal fridges, so 230 volt switches, to 12 or 24 volt camping fridges. And it's way cheaper than similar models from maybe Dometic or something like that. And I even have a remote here for my TV, for my fridge. And yeah, I can control here the when the fridge shut down and when turn on. I think I paid around for altogether with this and the fridge 450 euro. It's way cheaper, and it's really silent and efficient as well.
And exactly the heater switch as well was there. So what do you use for heating? Water heater and air heater?
This camper was a camper van before. I made the interior completely new, and I just kept the heater because it was fine. It is an old Truma heater from it's a well-known German company, and I just cleaned it from the inside.
And it runs on LPG gas.
It runs on LPG, yes. It has a built-in thermostat, so I can adjust it here, and yeah, it turn off and on if needed. Here I have my closet. Up here I have my underwear and stuff, and some winter stuff as well, because even here in Spain it's a little bit cold sometimes in winter time. And yeah, up here I have some storage, which I have to everything put down before I drive. And in the back I have my bed.
How big is it?
My bed is 1.98 long and 1.20 wide. And here in the bed area I have 2 USB sockets, one right and one left. And I have switches, one for the main light in the front and one for this light. And yeah, 230 volts as well.
So, and you are very active on Instagram, documenting your van life.
Yes. My channel is called tortuga.trip. Tortuga means it means turtle in Spanish, because I travel very slow and my bus is very slow, so it fits perfect to my life.
thanks for watching. I will leave from Rene Instagram link in the description below and see you in the next one. Cheers!
Cheers!